Guys, history has been made in a huge way. No, I'm not talking about Bitcoin ripping past all-time highs. For the second time in U.S. history since Grover Cleveland in 1892, a U.S. president will serve 2 non-consecutive terms. Today, we're diving into the top 5 coins that could benefit from Donald Trump's bold pro-crypto administration. If you want to know where to position yourself for the biggest gains, stick around to the very end. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoy X. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you're here to stay ahead of the game and capitalize on the biggest moves in crypto, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and by the way, hit that little notification bell. With Trump back in office, things are about to get wild for the crypto market, and we're here to ride the wave. All right, so let's kick things off here with World Liberty Financial, the Trump family's very own DeFi project. This is huge, or as they say sometimes, huge. Not only does it have the Trump name behind it, but it's also part of a movement to bring DeFi into the mainstream. Right now, access is still limited to accredited investors for World Liberty Financial. So the average guy, investor, well, they can't jump in yet, but here's the deal. The exposure and hype surrounding World Liberty Financial, well, they're already driving interest in DeFi. When this opens up to the general public, it's gonna have massive reach, and it'll bring a whole new crowd into the space. Now, even if you can't invest in it right now, keep an eye on World Liberty Financial as a signal for DeFi momentum. Next up, we've got Uniswap. The day after Trump's win, Uniswap pumped over 30%. Why? Because it's directly tied to World Liberty Financial. Uniswap is the primary decentralized exchange being used by Trump's DeFi project, which means that every time the Trump family talks about or promotes World Liberty Financial, Uniswap gets a boost. This could be a recurring theme throughout the cycle. Whenever Trump or his family get involved in crypto news, Uniswap could see a price surge. It's the perfect buy the rumor, sell the news situation. And if you're holding Uni, this could be a cycle of consistent pumps. We'll have to see. Right behind Uniswap is Aave. Now, Aave didn't jump as much as Uniswap right away, but it followed closely behind. Why? Because Aave is the go-to platform for decentralized lending in the Ethereum ecosystem. With all eyes on DeFi and a major Trump-backed project gaining momentum, Aave becomes an obvious choice for investors looking to get involved in lending and borrowing. If this DeFi wave continues to grow, Aave is in the prime spot to benefit. Think of it as the cornerstone of Ethereum DeFi that's bound to see increased demand as more people pour into the space. Now, let's talk about XRP. This one's a big deal, and here's why. Trump has made it clear that he's no fan of Gary Gensler, the SEC chair who's been one of the biggest obstacles for XRP. In fact, Trump has promised to fire Gensler on day one.
On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chairman.
And you know what that means. A Gensler exit would be a green light for XRP. We're talking about a potential God candle for XRP. The regulatory clarity XRP holders have been waiting for might finally be on the horizon. If Trump sticks to his promise, XRP could skyrocket, making this one of the biggest opportunities for XRP since the SEC lawsuit began. I always teach the Bit Squad that all this is simply facilitation. The bigger deal is that the elites have already chosen XRP as the #1 instrument for international banking settlements. Last but not least, we have a project in a niche that could have only thrived in the kind of political setting emerging right now. With America's first pro-crypto president and a red wave in Congress, Politify is probably going to break out onto the scene in this bull run in a huge way. Restore the Republic is the perfect candidate, no pun intended, to ride the Trump pump all the way to the top.
Years from now, some of them may look back and ask themselves whether they've made the right choice, whether they've made the most of the opportunities they've been given. But you have to put your head down and fight. Never, ever, ever give up.
With your help, we will save our nation. We will restore our republic.
Restore the republic. Restore the republic. Restore the republic. Restore the republic. Restore the republic.
Let's honor their legacy by continuing to dream boldly and tirelessly working to turn those dreams into reality.
We will make America safe again. And we will make America great again.
Now, if you haven't been following on Twitter, I've actually partnered with RTR and I've been part of many of their Twitter spaces. And I think that this project has got potential all over it. It's on Solana, so you know it's not like Ethereum where you have to wonder how much is the platform going to be used in the future by regular users. We already know they're there on Solana. So check out Restore the Republic. And you can follow them on Twitter as well. We'll put the link down below. So there you have it. The coins most likely to benefit from Trump's victory. Keep these on your radar. Now, it's not just about price pumps. It's about the narratives that could drive serious gains this cycle. What do you think? Will these coins continue to benefit, or are there other sleepers out there we should be watching? Subscribe to our NWF weekly newsletter with a free version that gives you the most important narratives to pay attention to. We're just getting started, and this cycle's looking more bullish than ever. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.